Hello बच्चों, let's read this question. Assertion A. In electrolysis, the quantity of electricity needed for depositing 1 mole of silver is different from that required for 1 mole of copper. Reason are the molecular weight of silver and copper are different. And these are the following options given to us. So let us see इस question का key concept क्या होगा. Key concept of this question is Faraday's first law. Faraday's first law. So let us see Faraday's first law क्या state करता है. It says the mass of elements deposited at an electrode in grams वो directly proportional होता है to the amount of electricity passed. So we can write the mass of the element deposited at an electrode in grams is directly proportional to the amount of electricity passed. And जो electric current है that gives the number of coulombs flowing in the seconds. जो हमारे पास first आएगा that will be mass is directly proportional to the amount of electricity, and this Q is equals to the current multiplied by time. This Q represents the charge and this is current multiplied to the time. And जब हम proportionality का sign हटाएंगे then Z is introduced and Z जो है it is termed as the electrochemical equivalent. So we can write it will be M is equals to Z I T, and जो हमारे पास Z है which is the electrochemical equivalent, this is equal to the molar mass divided by N factor. So this will be capital M divided by N multiplied to the I multiplied to the T. So this is the formula for the mass deposited, and according to the assertion जो हमारे पास mass deposit होगा by 1 mole of silver that will be different from the 1 mole of copper. And here we can see जो mass है, जो mass deposited है that is dependent on this molecular mass, and जो हमारे पास copper है and silver है. The first thing दोनों का molecular mass different है as well as जो n factor होगा that will also differ because जो हमारे पास copper है that will be in two positive state. So जो हमारे पास n factor आता है that is 2 and silver के लिए it is 1, and as well as both have the different molar mass. कॉपर का जो हमारे पास मोलर मास होता है that is 63.5 यूनिट और ग्राम पर मोल, एंड जो हमारे पास Ag सिल्वर का जो हमारे पास मोलर मास रहता है इट विल बी ग्राम पर मोल, एंड सिल्वर का जो हमारे पास मास रहता है दैट इज 108 ग्राम पर मोल. So by this we can say जो हमारे पास mass deposit होगा that will be different for both of these. So assertion is correct. And reason says the molecular weight of silver and copper are different, so this is also correct. And molecular weight differ है, इसी वजह से हमारे पास जो है mass deposited we are getting the different for copper as well as silver. So जो हमारे पास आंसर होगा that will be option first, which says both assertion and reason are true and the reason is correct explanation of the assertion. Option first is the correct, which says if both assertion A and reason R are true and the reason R is a correct explanation, correct explanation of the assertion A. So let us mark option first as the final answer and option second, third or fourth जो है these are incorrect. So this was the whole solution. Hope you understood it well. Best of luck.